right, nice job. Go ahead and take it.
Look at her legs.
Nice job. Go ahead and keep on stepping up there.
You don't think you're going to stop at all. Also, I'm like,
Nice job. Go ahead and step on up there.
Shake it.
You
got this, Ellie. Good job, Ellie. Yay,
You made it.
oh my God, that was like no fun.
Wow. Professional ending.
Look at that look.
Wasn't that fun? Could you get that on film, please?
No scream or anything.
Oh.
Wow.
Nice job.
Rocked it.
Step on up there, that top step again.
Put your feet up, you go faster.
We noticed.
You're all set. Am I good now?
Yep.
Cool.
All right.
There's one hand.
Yeah, this is so crazy. All right.
Just look this way,
Oh my God.
and then just.
That was so good. Oh, look at her go!
You going backwards, Rachel?
Yeah.
I love it.
Stand up straight and just lay that right there.
I'm so nervous.
Jim, you can step down one step, or you can go from there. Just kind of sit down or lean back.
Never even, I know, no spacing or anything. You just got down and went.
All right, Carrie.
So I should go down a step. Okay, Carrie.
Yeah, you can just sit down in your
You're
harness
good.
or just lay back.
Should I hold on to this?
You can hold on to whatever you want. You can put your
You
arms
got
out.
this, Carrie. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you going backwards?
Yeah.
I literally
So-
just went like that.
So
That's what
Rachel,
I should have done.
you just had your last run. How do you feel?
Pretty good. Feel
Was it a
pretty
good day?
sweaty.
Was it a good day out?
Great day,
Do you think you're going to qualify for the World Ziplining Championships after today?
for sure. With the
Excellent.
cannonball and the back.
I think the cannonball was the clincher. Aaron, how was your last run of the day?
Amazing. It was
Yeah.
so fast and crazy. I loved it.
Oh,
We all